Hello there, math leads. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial function and end behavior. Let's solve it together. The function g of x equals x to the power of 6 minus 16, 15x to the power of 4 plus 60x squared minus 36. Which choice best describes the end behavior of g? First, let's recall that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced primarily by the term with the highest degree, which is in this case x to the power of 6. Now let's understand how the leading term x to the power of 6 dictates the behavior as x approaches the positive infinity and negative infinity. X to the power of 6, as x approaches the positive infinity, I'm going to substitute positive for it. So it turns out it's positive. X to the power of 6, when x approaches the negative, I'm going to substitute negative for the value. Since the exponent is even number, this is also going to turn into positive. So in both cases, our exponent g will be leading to a positive infinity. So because of that, the choice A will be the correct answer for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.